Guys, I have 2,000 subscribers on YouTube. A lot of hard work to get here, and I'm super appreciative for it. Super appreciative for you guys. So, I went after this smokestack dive in celebration and in honor or appreciation of you guys who support the channel. So, this one was for you all. I really can't explain how much I appreciate you guys. Sometimes I'm super down and super depressed in my normal life, and I get online and you all think I'm awesome, and I really don't think you all understand how much that helps me get through my day to day. So thank you guys and enjoy this video. So, although I got all the clips I needed to make this video the other day, there was a couple clips I did lose that it would have been nice to have them. One being the stick cam from the pack when I was trying the smokestack dive. I would have liked you all to be able to hear what I was saying while it was going on. One thing that also got corrupted on that SD card was me talking about these new motors. These are the Vulcan Innovation Spark 2207 Pros, or maybe the Pro 2207s. I'm not sure which ones they are, or which way you would say it. That's definitely what they are. I'm not sure which way you would say that. Either way, I put these bad boys on the Vannystyle. They're amazing. You'll hear me talk about it here in a little bit. They're 2100 kV, and from what I've experienced this weekend at the bando, they're super freaking tough. Definitely recommend these. I'll be back doing some durability testing and longevity testing, I guess, or giving you all my opinion on the longevity of these, but so far so good. All right, guys, so we're back at the bando here. I've kind of burnt this spot out as far as YouTube goes, but the only reason we're back here is because there's been a smoke dive that I wanted to do. I had to climb up in it in like a life-threatening situation and chop some fucking trees down just to be able to get it. But no doubt.
So he really wants this dive.
He's been ace about it. If they keep him with it,
Just don't die. Austin, is it worth it?
yes.
Okay.
This is for the 2,000 people that press the fucking sub bell. I know. Where'd Caden go?
He's checking on the cars. It sounded like somebody stopped.
Well, if they do, you go help him fight, and I'll hide in here. Now it's clear, and we're about to go for it. So let's see what happens. There you go. 2K subs. Give me 5. See what the fuck I'll do. Hey, if y'all want to take slams like that and survive and have the confidence to do stupid shit like smokestacks, you need to get you some Vulcan Innovations motors and a Vannystyle Pro. You can do ignorant shit like that all day, baby.